So drones is a very important and interesting area for wireless charging. But the way they have been doing it in the past is huge circular coils in the middle obstructing the camera view, or they placed it on the side, but this was going to be very low power. Almost everybody was trying the same thing. Vitricity for many years was pitching this. This is a huge transmitter coil and is being used to charge a phone, believe it or not. It never worked, and REZENCE in any case failed. Our principle is totally different. The transmitter structure is very different, and it enables a tiny receiver coil which can deliver 100 or 200 watts easily without even getting hot. I have done it in innumerable demos so far, so go and have a look at our YouTube channel. So what do? Here's our power bank just to make it portable. 12 volts output going to our transmitter, which powers our unique transmitter coil. And you can see the receiver coil as a rod in the middle of the leg, nothing obstructing the camera view, or if you have to carry any shipment, it's not going to be in the way. We are delivering 15.7 volts and about 2.4 amperes. It's limited exactly according to the battery requirement. This is a Potensic drone. And now it will take off. So now let's watch it land. Here it comes.
Perfect. We got it.
So it's back to charging at about 15 volts and 2.3 amperes, exactly as required by the battery. We can deliver actually 100 watts through this tiny coil just at 12 volts input.